Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Importance: make careful note of the routing of the touchscreen cable for later replacement. Remove the touchscreen cable from the routing channel and retention tape that secure it to the fan. Peel back the mylar that secures the fan to the heatsink. Disconnect the fan cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the system board. Lift the fan off of the alignment pins and remove. Important: there are UMA and discrete versions of the left fan. Ensure the correct component has been ordered for the specific notebook being serviced. Reverse this procedure to install the fan.